Hi, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we add backup camera to 2017 Audi A3. We replaced the tailgate handle, trunk handle release with the trunk handle release built-in camera. So everything works same as the original. You can open the trunk, use the same handle, and it looks exact same as Audi camera. So everything, the MMI stays same as the original MMI of the car. When we go to reverse, it's switched to the backup camera. It's dynamic backup camera, so by turning the steering wheel, the guideline turns too. Also, as you can see, front sensors, it's on the same screen and it's still activated and it works. If you're interested to get these type of backup cameras installed in your Audi A3, please give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order the parts online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.